Guys, welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas. Today and actually through the weekend I'm going to be participating in a mini collab with 360 Nails. We are creating cute aesthetic nails that are all going to kind of go together, that are also fun and simple. And today I'm showing you how to create this really easy kind of gradient style design with a dotacure all at the same time. So first up, of course, you want to put on your base coat, and then we're going to be using an orange and kind of a light purple that has a hint of pink. You could use, of course, whatever colors you wanted, but I am using two from Eternal Cosmetics. The orange is called Flamingo, and the pinky purpley color is called Unique, which it really is. It's really pretty. So as you guys can see, I just did one coat of them next to each other on the nail. I let them meet, and I did both of these parts while they were wet as well, so they kind of merged together and mixed a little bit in the center to create that gradation like feel, but with no sponge, which is great. In this case, I did like kind of make a little bit of a mess on the side of my nail, so I used an I think it's called an acrylic nail brush. I'm not sure what it's called, but I will link the tool that I'm using to kind of clean up around my nails because it is so easy to use. It has a silicone tip and I absolutely love using it for cleanup because I don't have to like put anything on it. It just wipes the polish right off, and then I can just use nail polish remover to clean it, and it's super easy. So anyway, I'm gonna do 2 coats of those colors, let that dry, and then I'm going to grab a rose gold sort of glittery shimmery polish, and I'm using Defy and Inspire's Do More, and I am just dotting those on sporadically, and apparently for some reason I didn't get that 100% on film. Not sure what happened there. But after that, I put on a top coat, and that was it for this manicure. Super simple, really easy, and really used minimal tools. I just used a dotting tool and kind of varied between 2 different sizes, and it's really fun and cute and perfect for kind of fall Halloween-like vibe. So that is it for today. I hope you all enjoyed this. Be sure to check out her video, which I will link her down in the description box below, and I will be back tomorrow with another one. Bye!